Want to fix SIM not supported error on iPhone? The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now you want to tap on General. Here head over to About. Then go to Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your phone is already unlocked. If not, you want to contact your carrier to request an unlock. Next, you want to power off your iPhone and use a SIM eject tool to remove the tray. Inspect the SIM card for dust or damage and reinsert it carefully to ensure it sits flush. Power your iPhone back on and see if the error disappears. If the problem persists, you want to restart or hard restart your device by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it boots up, open up Settings. Go to General, then go to Software Update and install any available iOS updates to resolve compatibility issue. And with these steps, you will be able to fix SIM not supported error on iPhone, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.